I've decided that all the gems that I was going to drop in the Instagram stories and stuff, I'm just going to put on the YouTube channel. I will still, show you aspects of my day and stuff, but like the structured content with points and structure, I guess, and reason and all that sort of stuff, I'm just going to put it on YouTube because it's better to put it over there because people can find it in 3 years. And on Instagram, don't really have that same opportunity. It's not smart. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and record one of these, videos on my phone every day, hopefully. This will allow me to build up such a backlog that I won't even have to worry about making new content and shit. I've already filmed 2 videos on the phone today, filmed 4 screen record videos, so we got 6 in total. We're working out here, B. We're working. I'm looking through a bunch of my subscriptions on YouTube because I don't watch most of this thing. I'm fucking subscribed to like 300 people. And I'm just seeing a bunch of people who just stopped making videos because I guess they started getting less views and they just gave up. I'm seeing 2 years, man, ain't uploaded and shit. Stressful times. This is why I'm telling you guys about the, playing the long game, bruv. Playing the long game. Trust me. If you ain't playing the long game, you end up like one of these guys. Look. Look at this gentleman. Like, I subscribed to him ages ago, probably because I was watching like Overwatch stuff. Look at him. His last video got 800 views, so I thought, fuck that. We ain't doing this no more. I can't be bothered. Or maybe he had to deal with some life issues in it. You never know. But I'm seeing a bunch of people who just stopped making videos. Long-term planning wins over viral videos, trending content and all that sort of shit all the fucking time because you won't have to be on that YouTube hamster wheel hoping that your next video gets 1 million views so you can pay the rent. That channel I just showed you is effectively dead after, not uploading for 2 years. But look at this channel. This channel that focused on creating a catalog of helpful content, yeah? This channel basically teaches people music theory and how to play the piano and that sort of stuff. I subscribed ages ago. I haven't watched the video in ages. I'm going to have to add this to my play later because we're getting back into that. But if we go to his videos, last video, my man uploaded 5 years ago and he's still bringing in 4,000 subscribers per year. Probably, making a healthy sum of AdSense. And if he's got a link in any of these descriptions to his business, he is he's not. That's a shame. I mean, this might be his business page because he says he does photography, but if he's got like a link to his business, he will be making money just on autopilot. Very easy, very, very simple way to make money on autopilot. It's a lot of upfront work, but eventually, because you've made a catalog of content that people want and will want forever, it just continually brings traffic in forever. He doesn't need to promote it or anything like that. If someone, types in how to learn piano, they'll probably find one of his videos. If he made a course on it, he'd be making money at the arse right about now. He'd be getting involved.